Okay, it's Friday evening, and I got another item that I purchased on Amazon that I like and I love. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. The reason why I love it because is what I got inside. And this, check it out. Check it out. Okay, it is. I'm chilling on my lazy boy. Chilling, chilling, chilling. Staying safe. Staying safe. So it's called Freelance Ready to Travel Anywhere with You. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. But before I do that, oh, here we go. Let me take this out so I can grab it. Boom! Look at that. Look at that. What is that? What is that, yo? What is that? Yes, 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 yes. It is a travel compartment. Listen, this is good for cruising. This is good for when you're flying, just going anywhere. You put your toiletries. You could put whatever you want. So, what do I have here? So, and then it has a hook. It has a hook. Check it out. Check it out. You could hang it anywhere. You could have this in your house. You could put whatever you want. So, what do I have? What do I have? So, we are going camping next week. I can't wait. We're so excited. We have 5 more days. So, I have here, packed in here, Q-tips, toothpicks. I have alcohol pads and band-aids. I have cotton balls in here. In here, I have my bath scrunchie. That's what I call it. In here, in this one here, I have a bag full of plastic gloves. In this one, as you see, I have the antibody ointment, the hydrocortisone cream, the other cream that I have there is for acne. Yeah. And then like big band-aids in behind it. And then here, as you see, I have my toothpaste. I have 2 toothbrushes. I have a flashlight in here. And then on this side, I have here my and I like these bottles. These are squeezable bottles. I also purchased this on Amazon, and I will also link the description of these little travel. It came in this bag. It came in this bag, but I'm gonna use this bag for like my medications and stuff. So that's good to go. But I will link that information. But it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles, like 2 big ones, and then it comes with 2 like little smaller ones. So in here I have my shampoo, conditioner, aloe vera gel, because it's like already here. It's in the 90s, and just have that just in case. I have here my body wash, and then on this side and it came with like these little thingies. They're so cute. It also came with the packet for like $6.99, you know. But I have cocoa butter in here. You know, I don't want to carry like this big thing of cocoa butter that I have. Look at that. Too big. So I put some cocoa butter in here. In this one, I have my foundation. So I just put a little bit. I didn't fill it. I use Bare Mineral. I love Bare Mineral foundation. But I have, you know, my makeup, my brush. That's it. And I have my lip gloss, and I have chapstick in here. So that's what we have. That's what I have in here. I love this little packet thing. You know, when I used to go onto the cruise, I used to carry that big shoe rack thing, and it was huge. You know, it wasn't huge packing it, but you know, it was, came in handy. But I probably still use it. But this is perfect for to do little trips, little traveling or staycation or visiting somebody's home. But this is perfect. Okay, y'all. Thank you for watching. It's Jackie coming at ya. Mom and daughter travels. Have a good evening. Peace.